Is social media saturated? Because I've been doing it for 7 years and I hate this question so much, but I gotta address it. I've been doing it for 7 years, and for 7 years, they've been saying that it's gonna dry up, that it's a trend, that the money's gonna run out, and guess what? Here I am 7 years later, making money doing social media marketing. So based on what everyone was saying, it should have dried up by now, right? Wrong. I'm making more money than ever. It gets so easy to jump on the bandwagon of saying something doesn't work because they've heard of it before and a lot of other people they know are doing it. If a lot of people are doing it, why wouldn't you want to get in on that? For everyone saying that social media marketing doesn't work or that it's saturated, I can tell you from first-hand experience, it's bullshit. So in this video, I'm going to tell you why you are wrong if you think that social media marketing is oversaturated and you can't make money doing it anymore, because it is a viable business model that thousands of people are starting to make money in their everyday lives. I'm going to show you everything I've learned from being in the game for the past 7 years, making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month and helping thousands of others do the same thing.
I remember when nobody believed in me. I made $1 million, change of the scenery. I still remember when women were mean to me. These days I walk in the club with security. These days I'm feeling a change in the energy. These days you know that I gotta move differently.
So let's jump right into it. Number one, the first thing I hear that everyone says, they say there's too much competition. There's so many people that are doing it. How can I make money doing this? And it's a big criticism I get a lot because I do it, I make money doing it, and I share with other people how to do it. They say, Rene, aren't you just creating more competition for yourself? These type of people, I don't like them because they almost have a negative attitude. They assume that because I'm winning doing this, that they can't win doing this, which is completely untrue. Here's a great statistic for you. You guys can look this up. Every single year in the United States alone, there are over 600,000 new businesses formed. Now, think about it. What business is going to survive in 2024 with no social media? What business is going to get formed this year as we speak and they're just going to flourish without advertising on social media? Every single one of these businesses that's formed, they need help. They need social media. And guess what? Yeah, I might be able to help some of them, but there's no way I'm helping 600,000 new businesses every single year. Think about it like this. Throughout my years of social media marketing, I've helped hundreds of businesses. I've done social media for hundreds of businesses. I've made millions of dollars because of it. Imagine 600,000. Even if I wanted to, I wouldn't be able to help all of these businesses. Now, you guys watching this video, you might be thinking, wow, 600,000 is a lot, but do they need social media? The answer is yes. And here's what's really cool. You can make 6 figures just by helping 2 or 3 of them. You don't need to help all 600,000 businesses. You can get 2 or 3 businesses to pay you $2,000 to $5,000 a month, and that will allow you to make 6 figures. You need 2 out of 600,000 every single year. And not to mention, these are just new businesses. You can also help businesses that have been formed a year ago or 2 years ago. There's not enough social media marketers to fit the demand. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you how many companies are actively looking for social media help. This money is abundant. You got to get the scarcity mindset out of your head. By thinking that it's hard to find deals and it's hard to make money on social media, but that it's not possible, that's oversaturated, all you are doing is hurting yourself. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you how much deals there are, how many businesses are looking for it, and I'm going to show you demand per state. I'm going to show you hundreds of millions of dollars sitting on the table that you can get right now as we speak. Right after this video, you can jump on these deals and go land these businesses as clients. So I want to show you something really cool because everyone says social media marketing is oversaturated and there's not enough deals to go around. This software right here, SMMA Deal Finder, it's my software. I use it. It actually shows you all of the deals in your area. So realistically, people might say, oh, there's not enough deals to go around. But when they see it visually in front of them, it changes the way they think. Because these people saying there's not enough deals, no one needs social media. Take a look. Here are all the businesses. What this software is doing is actually using AI to find all of the businesses that actively need social media marketing. They're looking for people to help them with their social media. And take a look. When you go through it, there's hundreds of thousands of leads. Look at how many businesses need help with their social media. They're just out there. No one's helping them right now. They need the help, which is why they're searching. And look, they're actually even offering $2,000 a month, $1,500 a month. We're finding exactly how much they're offering to pay people. So there's money out there. There's a ton of businesses that need it. You just haven't found them. You just haven't been looking. It's right in front of you the entire time. And what's really cool about this software is it can actually do it per state. So let's say you live in Colorado, right? You can use AI to find deals in Colorado. Take a look. Bunch of these businesses offering to pay $4,500 a month in Colorado. What are you doing? Are you chasing these businesses? Are you finding them? Because they need help. They're out there. They just haven't been able to find help. So I want to show you guys this because I want to show you how many deals, how many businesses need this. If it was truly oversaturated, there would be no businesses that need help because there would be so many marketers that are helping all these businesses. But when you look at this, you can literally see how many deals there are. Let's do Arizona, right? Find deals. Check it out. Arizona has a bunch of deals on their own. And again, there's pages on pages on pages. So there's an abundance of money, of deals in social media marketing. What's really cool, there's another feature right here, the money finder. In case you are curious how much money there is around you, let's take a look. Let's just click a random state. This one right here. This is, I'm not good at geography. New Hampshire has $2.6 million in outstanding deals, meaning companies in New Hampshire, there's $3 million in deals where they're just looking for social media people. They haven't found it. Here's another one. This is a random country. South Dakota is crazy. Realistically, people are like, yo, I live in South Dakota. There's no money. Let's take a look. There's still $800,000 in deals, social media deals in South Dakota, right? Let's do a bigger state. Let's do California. I'm from LA. That's where I got my start. LA has $13.3 million in social media deals. Actively, there are companies looking and they're putting a bounty on it. $13 million in deals. So when people say it's oversaturated, what's oversaturated about it? What, because there's a lot of people doing it? Or is it all these businesses that are just not getting help? Because Texas, there's $8.7 million in deals in Texas. Companies that are looking for help with their social media, but it's oversaturated, right? Let's look at another one. Florida. I live in Florida. I live in Miami now. $7 million in deals in Florida. 7.3. And by the way, this is updating every single day. This is changing every single day. It's getting higher every single day because there's not enough people that can help these companies. I make $100,000, $200,000 a month online. That is barely anything when it comes to Florida. All right. Take a look at another one. Let's do what's a random state? This one right here. The last example, Illinois. Illinois has $4.2 million in deals, monthly payments. You could be making $4.2 million just from businesses that are looking for you. So to say this is oversaturated when there's hundreds of millions of dollars, businesses are looking to spend this money on social media. It's not even businesses that have to be convinced. It's businesses actively looking to spend this money. It's all out there, guys. This is not oversaturated. Hopefully that was eye-opening for you, but I want to add more on top of that. What are the odds you guys think that if thousands of people are starting to do social media marketing, that it gets too competitive? Because you saw all those deals right there, right? What are the odds that you're the last one to make money doing this? Obviously, the reason that a lot of people are doing it is because it is a new profession. How many engineers do you think there are in the world? Do you think there's more engineers or more social media marketers? How many doctors do you think there are in the world? Do you think there's more doctors or more social media marketers? I know it feels kind of crazy to compare the two because one is a job, but if you think about it, every single business since the beginning of time has needed a marketer of some sort. Ever since you were born, you're seeing marketing all over TV. You're seeing it when people hand you flyers at the beach or when they give you postcards or they give you something to remember them by. These are all forms of marketing. The only difference is marketing has changed, so it's now on the internet. So if you think it's saturated, do you think that engineers are saturated or nurses or doctors or teachers or lawyers? Why is it that when people get a doctor's degree and become a doctor, people are super proud of them, but when they choose to do social media marketing, they frown on them and they say, oh, it's too competitive. They never say that about doctors. How many people do you think have business degrees? You think there's more social media marketers than people with business degrees? People always talk about college and giving people degrees. Hey, here's your degree. Do you genuinely think that a business degree is more valuable than someone that can do social media marketing? Do you think it's easier to make money with a business degree? This is my big thing. And again, I'm not bashing college here because I think some people need it, but how many people do you think have college degrees? No one's saying, oh, it's too competitive. Don't go to college. It's too competitive. Degrees, too many people have degrees. It's too competitive. No, every single person tells you to go to college and get a degree for some reason. I don't know why, but the second that you say you want to do social media marketing, they say it's oversaturated. It's too hard to make money. That is crazy. That is almost negative thinking to the max, because I can tell you this, there are less social media marketers out there than there are people with business degrees. The fact that people glorify college and getting a degree over pursuing something where there's a huge money-making opportunity is absolutely insane. So to finish my point of people saying there's a lot of competition or too many people doing this, I'm going to say this. There are new businesses popping up every single year. The opportunities are abundant. One man, me, I can only help maybe couple dozen businesses, and I'm making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Now, if you want to make millions, I can understand why that would be hard, but an extra $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month, what is that? 4, 5 businesses out of 600,000. And on top of that, no matter where you go, it's going to be competitive anyways. If you're going to get a job, it's going to be competitive. Everyone has a fucking college degree. And last but not least, when is competition a bad thing? Everything is competitive. If you want to be good, you got to be competitive. Any job market is competitive. You want to be an engineer and you want to get a job at the biggest company, SpaceX, for example, it's going to be competitive. Since when did competition be a bad thing? All I feel like competition does is make you better. And like I said, the competition is not that steep. Most people are opting to get business degrees instead of pursuing something like this, which leads me to my second point. People always say, well, don't they have someone doing doing it already? Because of all of these marketers, doesn't every business have someone to do their advertising? Aren't they doing it themselves? These 600,000 new businesses, there's no way that they're just surviving without marketing. Here's the craziest part. They are. When people start businesses, they don't think about the marketing from the beginning. They think about the product. They think about how they're going to sell it. They think about starting an LLC. They think about the logistics, the website. They never think about how they're going to sell the product. So you'd be surprised how many businesses get started that don't necessarily even have a plan. I want you to do this experiment with me. I want you to go and take a look at local businesses around you and look at their website. 90% of the time, their website is going to be shit. Why is that? Because they don't have someone to help them with their marketing. They don't have someone to help them with their social media. On top of that, not only their website, look at their social media, because 90% of the time, their social media is going to be shit. Contrary to popular belief, a lot of these businesses don't have their shit together. They don't get the social media stuff. We're at a place right now where before businesses would just go and start a business, and because they're local and people would see them, they would come in there. But now the game is changing. It's all going digital. How many times have you gone to a business, not because you saw it when you were crossing the street, but because you saw it on social media? Because that is the world we live in now. People go to things based off of social media. All of the attention is online. So I want you to do this real experiment. Look at the businesses around you. Take a look at what they're doing. Analyze what they're doing. Because if you genuinely believe that everyone has it figured out and they don't need you and that they have someone doing it, take a look at what they're doing, see how much it sucks, and realize that, wow, there's a lot of opportunity out here when it comes to social media marketing, because that's the case. You want to know one of the biggest things that gets me frustrated with my business? It's not actually finding the clients. It's not actually landing the clients. It's not actually doing the work and keeping the clients. The biggest thing that frustrates me when it comes to social media marketing is that I can't do more. There's only one of me and I can only get so many clients. And even though I have 11 employees that do all the stuff for me, it's a massive mission to be able to handle 30 clients at once, 40, 50 clients at once. These massive agencies that are doing hundreds of millions of dollars, they have a portfolio of maybe 150 clients. They're not managing thousands of clients. They have 150 big clients. So you can only scale so hard with an agency. Even with the big boys, they don't want the small fish. They don't want these little companies that'll pay you $1,000, $2,000 a month. But for beginners, that's a perfect client for you. And they're all out there. And the only reason they don't have marketing is because they can't afford a big agency or no one's heard about them yet. When it comes to businesses and their social media marketing, sometimes you don't even have to have experience. You just got to be first. I can't tell you how many times I have been able to get a client just because we're the first ones to hit them up. Hey, you interested in doing Facebook ads? And the response tells everything. They usually say something like, hey, you know what? We never really thought about it, but yeah, we're open to giving it a try. Most of these businesses, they're not doing marketing because no one has hit them up yet. So yeah, you might see all of your friends doing social media marketing. You might see me doing social media marketing. You might see all my students doing social media marketing. But believe it or not, in an area near you, there are a ton of businesses that haven't heard of this yet. It's your bubble of perception. It's a big issue we all run into. We see all of these people doing it and we assume that it's the norm. But I'll tell you this, if you are watching this video, you are one of the few that knows about this industry, that knows about this business, and it's something you can use to your advantage. Don't think that everyone knows what you know, because that's not the case. A lot of people, they just haven't heard of marketing. So you got to be first. If you're there first, you bring up the idea to them, they're going to be open to it. A lot of the times, most of my students, they don't do anything crazy. They don't do anything fancy. All they do is find the business first. And because they find it first, they're the first to approach them. They get that deal. This scarcity mindset of people assuming that there's not enough to go around is something you see at the lower levels. A lot of the people that have a lot of money, they realize that clients are abundant, money is abundant. They realize how much opportunity is out there. The biggest difference between how rich people and poor people view the world is the rich people look at everything as an opportunity. They see 10 local businesses pop up and they think, wow, no one is doing their marketing yet. That is a gold mine for me. Whereas a broke person might look at 10 businesses that pop up and say, oh, they look like good businesses. They must have someone doing their marketing already. It's not the case. You have to find the opportunity. Not only that, you have to look at everything as an opportunity, because the biggest difference between all of these people that are succeeding and not succeeding is the people that are finding success with social media marketing. All they're doing is looking. They're not doing anything special. All they're doing is looking at businesses as an opportunity. And like I said, with every new business that pops up, a new marketing opportunity pops up. People aren't going to stop creating businesses. That's the way of life since thousands of years ago. There have always been business owners for thousands of years, and there's always been marketers for thousands of years. It doesn't matter what you were selling, whether it was seashells or painting or home goods. Someone was marketing this for you. Now the marketing has just changed, but the opportunities are still there. Again, I'm going to say this, and I'm going to sound like a broken record, but I want you to get it through your head, because there's a lot of fixing we got to do. Society teaches us that there's a finite amount of resources, of money, of opportunity, and that if someone else has this stuff, we'll never get it. I know this because I grew up in a poor surrounding. So with my mom, she was always scared that I was never gonna have opportunity. She always thought that if someone else had money, it means less for me. But I can tell you, as someone that came from that, made a ton of money, millions of dollars, there's more opportunity. There's always more around you everywhere. So I want you to imagine it like this. I make 6 figures every month doing social media marketing, and I never have more than 20 clients at a time. There's 600,000 new businesses that pop up every single year. Half of my clients have been with me for longer than a year. So I'm not even touching any part of that new pie. There's my students who make 10 grand, 15, 20 grand a month, and they never have more than 5, 6, 7 clients at a time. Even the ones that are only charging $2,000 a month still can make 6 figures with 5 clients. Ultimately, the sky is the limit. Now, if you want to become a billionaire, again, I get it. It might be a little bit hard because now you have to move markets. But if your goal is an extra $5, $10, $20, $30,000 a month with social media marketing, you are a small fry. No one is worried about you. Stop thinking that if someone is making $30,000 a month that you can't, because there's millions of dollars in the market. Like I showed you earlier with the software demonstration, there's literally hundreds of millions of dollars in active social media deals. That's just the businesses that are looking for social media. Those are the ones that know they need help. Imagine the ones that don't know they need help at all. If I were to estimate, I would say you're looking at about $1 billion a year as far as money that could be made for someone like you and me, regular everyday people that work from home, that kind of just do their thing. If you don't think you can get 10,000, 5,000 from that $1 billion, there's something wrong in here and you got to fix that. And I make these videos because I want to share with you something that has blessed my life and changed my life. But not only that, it's something that's easy that anyone can do. So to conclude this rant, no, social media marketing is not oversaturated. What's oversaturated is the brain. People have been feeding you these lies, having you convinced that just because someone else is winning, you can't too. And it's a poisonous, toxic mindset to have. It's a toxic belief system. No, social media marketing is not oversaturated. There's a ton of opportunity. Everyone can do it. In fact, thousands of people are doing it. Literally right now, where we're at as a society, anyone can build a 6-figure social media marketing business. I've seen it with my own eyes. You don't need money to start. You don't need capital. You don't need experience. You don't need a college degree. You don't need connections. You don't need rich parents. You can build that business from scratch. There are literally millions of businesses that need you. And instead of going out to help them, you're sitting here complaining about social media marketing being oversaturated. They need you. It's literally the best time to start. So if you're interested in learning the skill that changed my life, I got a free class. Click the link in the description. You'll learn more. I'll teach you how to actually find these clients, land these clients. I'll share more about the thousands of students I have that are crushing it every single day, making money hand over fist. I can't wait to see you. Yeah, that's it. Rant over. Peace.